Okay, now we will proceed to your speaking test 5 and 6. Are you ready? Okay, now we start. What sport is this? Very good. Can you play badminton? Very good. What sport is this? Can you play tennis? What sport is this? Can you play volleyball? Okay. What sport is this? Can you play basketball? What are you good at? What are you good at? I'm good at. Again, I'm good at. What are you good at? What are you good at? Okay, very good. Now, what is this? Go. Me? Skateboarding. Again, may I go skateboarding? Okay, next. May I go swimming? No. Okay. Naitolan am I? May I watch? Very good. Naitolan am. Name the body parts. Head. Body. Hand. Oh, what's that? Arms. Legs. Feet. No, it's okay. What are you wearing today? I'm wearing. Okay, Di. What are you wearing? Oh. Okay, now, what clothes do you want? I want. Easy. I want. Now, what do you wear at school? I wear. And sneakers. Now, what do you want? No. Okay, next. Some okay. I want some okay. What is she wearing? Green and skirt and white socks. Now, is that your sweater? Are those your pajamas? They aren't. Okay.